because I am late with all the videos that I make. This is part one of me helping my brother-in-law do a sign for his wedding. The wedding happened in December of 2024, and we actually started this project October of 2024. Here's his wife measuring everything, and what we're doing, we're cutting down the pieces down so they can fit in my CNC, because my CNC is not that big and can only cut 24 by 36 inches. So we have to cut down everything down to size. But it's not a big deal. I already got it down. So stay tuned for part two.